Hey guys, what's up? It's Thursday morning. We're in the KT studio in Milton. We're just getting ready to leave. We're going to Woodstock. If you saw vlog number 1, we were in Woodstock getting one of our new listings ready. This place was previously rented. It's in shambles. It's a big mess. The painters are there, so we're going to go check in on the progress, do a bit of work while we're there. So stay tuned to see what's happening. If you enjoy the video, drop a like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Coffee, 2 cream, 1 sugar.
Yeah.
And a medium dark roast with 1 milk.
Hey, how are you?
You spent $3.73 at Tim. Thank you.
I change shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still an animal. Nobody knows it but me when I slip. Yeah, I slip. I'm still an animal. There is a hole and I try to fill it up with money, money, money.
There's small sauce and there's small popcorn at the event, like at the main area there.
Yeah.
And then come back for the movie, and then the movie will start at 10.
Okay.
Cheryl said the theater is like
I just, getting into a little pocket like that, book appointments, and then find out that, there's a conditional offer and they don't really want to compete. So
Yeah, no, I wouldn't do that to you. If there's anything that comes up, I'll let you know. So that phone call I just had with that agent, she was calling about one of our properties, and she wanted to know if there was an offer on it yet, because they haven't shown it. They want to book an appointment, but her client doesn't want to get into competition. She'd have no interest in that. It blows me away because it's such the wrong mentality to have. When you're looking for a house, get over the concept of bidding wars. So I'll give you an example. We recently sold one of our houses. We had 4 offers on it. 3 of the offers initially came in $50,000 to $75,000 under the asking price. I think the mentality of a buyer is that if they do get into bidding wars, they're overspending or spending more than the house is worth or spending more than they're comfortable with. Forget all that. If you like the house, get involved regardless and just go in informed. Make sure you're spending however much you're comfortable with, and make sure your real estate agent's giving you proper valuation for the home. Period.
Nobody knows it but me when I slip. Yeah, I slip. I'm still an animal. I change shapes just to hide in this place, but I'm still an animal. Nobody knows it but me when I slip. Yeah, I slip. I'm still an animal.
I did. I grabbed it and it just peeled off. It's not going to. It's going to keep doing that all the way, So all this paint or stuff on it. You might have to screw that back down into it nice and tight, okay? He said, I think it would be. Colors. Definitely require.
Yeah, I'm on the other line with Bill. He wants me to merge the calls. Hang on 1 second, okay? Hey, Bill. There, I think we're all there now. Yeah, I had that through all of December. Didn't go away for a long time.
Crash.
Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? We're back in Woodstock, and painting's going strong. The place looks good. So this is the before shot. This is the before color, and that is the after. So it's amazing what a coat of paint will do. So we're actually just about to head out. We're going to Home Depot, pick up a few supplies, and then we'll be back to replace a toilet seat that looks disgusting. I'm just trying to vlog for the day. toothbrush, extendable, long
Yeah.
post.
Bowls are going to be right on the end, aisle 5 there.
Okay.
And then toilet seats are down aisle 26.
26 and 5.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you.
No problem.
Appreciate it. Got a new toilet seat. Picked up a new extendable pole for the painter. We're gonna head back to the house and install this thing. Alright, we're back at the office. House is looking much better. Still really dirty, so I can't wait to get cleaners in there. But it should be done soon, and I can't wait to show you the end result. We're just back at the KT studio in Milton just to wrap up some other work for the day. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, comment, let us know what you thought. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on the next vlog coming soon.